Hey guys, it's Tika and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be turning one of my favorite cookies into a yummy cupcake. And if you're interested in more small batch recipes like the one you see here, feel free to subscribe and don't forget to click the bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. So we're going to begin with the mini snickerdoodles, and for this recipe you're going to need some all-purpose flour, a little sugar, and then a separate thing of cinnamon and sugar, some vanilla extract, and I am using vanilla bean paste, an egg, some salt, cream of tartar, and baking soda, and some super soft butter. So we're going to start by adding our salt and our cream of tartar and our baking soda all together with our flour, and we're just going to set this to the side. Next, we're going to take our super soft butter and we're going to add it to a bowl with our sugar, and we're just going to cream these two together for about a minute or two. I'm going to go ahead and add in my egg now, and I'm going to mix this until it is just combined. I'm going to also add in my vanilla, and I'm going to whip that in just a little bit. And now it's time to add in all of our dry ingredients, so I'm just going to pour all that right in, and using a spatula I'm just going to fold that in gently until it all comes together into a nice and beautiful cookie dough. I'm going to take that separate cinnamon and sugar, and I'm just going to mix that together in a little bowl. And using a grape-sized amount of that cookie dough we just made, I'm just going to roll that right into this mixture. And then I'm going to set it onto my baking sheet, and this is going to go into the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes. And while these cookies are baking, let's get started on our cupcakes. So for these cupcakes, you're going to need some cake flour, some all-purpose flour, and some sugar. You're also going to need a little bit of cinnamon, some salt, baking soda, and baking powder, an egg, some milk, Greek yogurt, and I am also using vanilla extract here, and some super soft butter. So going into my bowl, I'm just going to add all of my dry ingredients, including my sugar, and I'm just going to whip these together really quickly, and then I'm just going to set this off to the side. In another large bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add in all of my butter, and I'm just going to whip this for a few seconds until it's a little bit loose and smooth, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in all of my dry ingredients. Now I'm just going to blend these together until it's almost like wet sand. You don't want to mix it too much. And I'm going to add in my egg, and I'm just going to mix this until the egg is just combined. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my milk and my yogurt. And then I'm going to mix these two together too until everything is just combined. I'm going to give my bowl a little scrape down, make sure there's no pieces left behind, and then using my cookie scoop, I'm going to do a scoop and a half of this batter into my trays, and this is going in the oven at 350 for about 14 minutes. While those are baking, we're going to work on the frosting, and for this frosting you're going to need some cream cheese, a little vanilla extract, some sugar, and some heavy whipping cream. So for this really simple frosting, we're just going to start by adding our sugar and our vanilla and our cream cheese into a large bowl, and we're just going to whip these together until everything is nice and creamy. Okay, so this is a perfect time to go ahead and start adding in our whipping cream, and we're just going to add that in slowly and whip it in with the cream cheese and sugar. And we're going to whip it until it becomes some nice firm peaks. So about right here. And that's it, you guys. Really simple and delicious Snicker Doodle Cupcakes. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I hope that you guys try it out for yourselves, and I will catch you in the next one.